Welcome to RK International, manufacturer and supplier of stainless steel ball movement. We are an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, established in the year 2010. We have spread our wings to Indian subcontinent and other countries. Excellent logistics support, large production capacity, and paid samples are the reasons behind our success. Our contract manufacturing are a class apart. Cash, check, credit card, and DD are some of our payment modes. We offer shipment by cargo, road, and sea. We offer a wide variety of Supreme riveting hinges, Supreme ball movement, and tower bolts. Tower bolt, Supreme ball movement or premium hinges with pin offered by us are well known for their durability. Our Supreme riveting hinges are available at industry-leading prices. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.morvillehardware.com.